Good morning, students. In the last video, we have learned about the components of PowerPoint. Okay, these are the components of the PowerPoint. Okay, children, here you can see here this is the ribbon, file, home, insert, design. These are the tabs of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, this is the blank slide of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we will know in this video that how we can add text to the PowerPoint presentation. First of all, we'll go here. These two dotted lines are what? These are the placeholders. Okay, after this, here you can click and then you can add the text in this placeholder. First of all, you have to go here and after that click here. When you will click here, you can see this is the cursor comes here blinking. Cursor जो होता है वो blink करता है, ठीक है? Then you can write here the text. Like if I am writing okay, the text is ready. Okay, from here you can click the slide and then you can insert the text, or you can click on the text box option, okay, in the text group. Okay, here from the insert tab you can go here to the insert tab. Here this is the insert tab. You can click here and after that here this is the text group. Okay, children, here you can click the text box, okay, and then also you can write in this text box. You can move also. You can increase or decrease this text box also, or you can rotate it also. This is the rotate button. Okay, if you want to write this like this, it will, you can rotate like this by dragging it. Okay, now if you want to move it, then you can move it some upward. Okay, from here you can do any kinds of according to your choice. Now, after writing the text, you can also just here insert the picture also. How you can insert the picture? You just go to the insert tab. I have clicked already. The insert tab is clicked already. Okay, after that insert tab, you can click the picture button. Here it is the picture button. That you can click on the picture button. Okay. After that, if when you have clicked the picture button, there are some images in the picture button. Okay, from here you can choose any kind of pictures. Okay, there is no picture. So, okay. So, from here you can select the pictures also. if there will be any picture. Okay children, now after this, from here you can insert the picture also, like this only. Now children, you can also see here, this is the thumbnail of the slide. When you will add one slide, it will appear here. From here you can make the arrangements of the slides also, that which slide will come first and which slides will come second in the slideshow view. Okay children, now if you are making just how you will add the slide, okay, from here you can add the slides also. New slide is given here you can see this option, new slide is given here. From here in the home tab, click the new slide button, and then here you can see there are different kinds of slides are there. You can select any kind of slides from here. Okay, like I am clicking the comparison slide. This slide will appear on the screen. Okay, see, now you can click and put anything in this. You can add the text here. Okay, now how you will save it? Whatever file you are creating, you have to save it. Otherwise, after some time when you will open it, you cannot see it without saving this presentation. Okay children, so then how you will save? You can click the file tab. Okay, here you can see here, this is the file tab. Okay, after clicking the file tab, you can click the save button. When you will click the save button, one dialog box will appear on the screen. This is the dialog box. You can give here any name. Okay, class 4 I have given the name, and then from here click the save button, and then this file will be saved by the name of class 4. See here on the title bar, the class 4 name will appear on the title bar. Okay children, so like this you can save your presentation also. Now how you can see the presentation? You can see the presentation by the presentation views in the view tab. You can see here, this is the view tab. Now just go and click the view tab. Okay children, now when you will click the view tab, here you can see there are normal view, slide sorter, note page, reading. Okay, you can see here these are the different kinds of views are here. After that you can select the presentation views. Okay, in the presentation views group in the view tab. Here this is the presentation, so presentation views. Okay, so I am clicking the slide sorter. So here the slide will appear on the both the slide will appear on the screen. Okay, now again you can also view the file in different styles. Okay, here you can view in normal view. It will be viewed in a normal view condition. Okay children, now you have been known how to save a file, how to create a file, and how to see the file. Now how you will close the file? Here there are different kinds of views. is a normal view, slide sorter view, note page view, reading view. Okay, slide master, handout master, notes master. There are different kinds of views are here. Now children, how will you close the presentation? You can click again on the file tab. When you will click the file tab, from here you can close this file by clicking on the close button. When you will click the close button, the file will be closed. If the file is not saved, a dialog box will appear on the screen and it will ask you if you want to save or not. Okay children, now how will you open the presentation? Like I have saved the file with the name of class 4. Now click on again the file tab and then here you can see open option is here. You can click the open button and then select the class 4 and then click the open option. So then your presentation what you have created will appear on the screen. Now how will you edit the existing this presentation? Here I have written the supercomputer. There is no adding subtitle is clear. Click here. Okay, I am writing here. I have written here generation of computer. Okay children, so here like this you can edit your presentation also. From here add new slide. See this option, you can add a new slide also in this. Okay, I am again clicking a default by default slide also, that is the title slide. Now what is slide layout? You can also add a slide with a new layout. Now I have added the slide with a new layout. This slide layout is an arrangement of all the items that make up a slide in a presentation. It contains the placeholders. Here it is containing the placeholders also. Okay, for the text, videos, whatever, if you want to select pictures, charts, shapes. Okay, then click you can click on the new slide drop down arrow and then from there you can choose from the menu that whatever slide you want to put here. There are the title slide, title and content layout, title only layout, blank layout. There are many kinds of slides are here. Okay children, so like this you can and also you can delete a slide. Like I have clicked this slide. Okay, then after that when you will click this slide, from here only you can put a right click here, a shortcut menu, this will appear on the screen. Okay children, and then from here you can select the delete slide and the slide will be deleted. You can navigate also between the slides. Here I have clicked on the second slide. You can see here second slide पे हमने click किया है. You can move to first slide. Click here and move to first slide. इस तरह से first से second, second से first slide में हम move कर सकते हैं. Now how will you exit the slide? The best way to exiting a slide is to click on the cross button. Okay. When you click on the cross button, if your file will not saved, the computer will ask you whether you want to save or not, or if you want to save, one dialog box will appear on the screen and you can save the file. Okay. From here you can exit the file also. Okay children, have you understood now till here? Now your PowerPoint chapter is completed. Is there any doubt children? If there will be any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.